Okay, not a criminal attorney, not here to give legal advice, but I am here to give you the real on this Diddy trials. David also recalled how much he admired Diddy and his desire to work for him. He said that he wore Diddy's clothing line, Sean Combs, and when he stayed in London, people would come up to him and ask him where he got his clothes from. That experience made him understand Diddy's global reach and his brand, and made him want to work for him because he was successful and self-made, and he also admired Diddy's marketing skills. David also testified about Diddy's security. He stated that Diddy's security detail often included a second car because his security was worried about people pulling up next to him and trying to shoot him. Also on cross-examination, David did testify about picking up prostitutes with Diddy's security. When asked about a time he allegedly brought prostitutes back to Diddy's home with Diddy's security, James claimed that he did not know they were prostitutes. He said from his recollection of the events, he and Bonds were out, they picked up 2 women and ended up bringing the 2 women back to Diddy's home. When they ended up bringing the 2 women back to the home, he stated that Diddy was not home at the time. He also claimed that the security did it all the time, and again, he reminded the court that he did not talk to Diddy about his personal affairs. After one of the women she asked for $200. David testified that he was shocked when she asked for the money, but Bonds told him to pay her so there wouldn't be any problems at the house. He said after he ended up paying the woman, she asked to take a shower. David also testified about an argument that turned physical that he himself got into with Diddy's chef, after which Diddy told him, "You can't put hands on a woman." David stated that he was in Miami in Diddy's kitchen when the chef told him how to do his job. He admitted to grabbing the chef's wrist and telling her to stay in her lane. He said when Diddy heard about it, he called him to his room and asked him what happened. And when he finished telling him what happened, Diddy's response to him was, "You can't put your hands on a woman." He said this was 1 or 2 occasions Diddy told him that he could be fired. He said the other occasion was when he smoked marijuana. Basically, Diddy was over here like, I can get high, but you can't. My name is Andrea Snipes-Booker, and that is the real on this Diddy trial.